Looks like we've got another mystery on our hands.
And the first thing to do is find Mr. Sims.
And I bet he's in that ancient village.
That's a perfect place for ghosts.
Oh, who wants to find an old haunted village?
No. Oh, yes, you do.
Like, no way. Besides, those tracks stop at the jungle.
Oh, we can follow them in the jungle, thanks to Scooby's keen tracking nose.
Too bad. This Scooby snack smells delicious.
A Scooby snack?
Sorry, Scoob. You had your chance.
Yeah, bats! Zoinks! Look out! Like all I can see are your paws! I got it! You have to pull out this locking bar. Hey, stop that clowning around, Scooby. A werewolf? Hold this, friend. Scooby-Doo, where are you? Hey, Scooby, we gotta hide. I'll hide up on that window ledge, and you hop in the piano.
Roger.
Time for a little ventriloquism. Where you going, fuzzy face? I'll give it to him again. You must be the big bad wolf.
Oh! Right, we ran a whiz.
Good boy, Scooby. Back him up just a little more. Now. That's just how I planned it. Now get me down.
Lump!
Hurry, he's trying to get loose. We're goners. We'll never get across the river. Oh boy, nice going, Scoob. Paddle faster, Scoob! Hey, what's that gurgling? Zoinks! We're gonna sink!
I'll fix it.
Good work, Scoob.
What's up?
Piranha fish! They're eating our boat! Like we're sinking, Scoob! Jump for your life!
Phew.
This is a snake! Oh boy, nice save, Scoob. What's your next move? Sorry I asked. There's that funny pounding again.
And it's coming from inside.
I ain't going in there. No way.
How about that way?
I feel like I've been dipped in ink and let loose in a coal mine.
Let's hold hands so we don't get separated.
For a girl, you sure got cold, clammy hands, Velma.
Your hands are like a couple of fish right out of the lake.
I think I feel a doorknob.
Open it and let's get out of here.
Yeah, out.
Yikes, there is a headless specter.
Just a big bat. He was probably more scared than we were. Let's look around for some clues.
Yeah, clues. Hello?
Scooby, what's wrong?
Excuse me. Stop that whistling. You make me nervous. Uh-oh. Which way did they go?
They went that way.
Oh, thanks, man.
It's all right.
Like wow, a talking skull.
Right, wow.
I'm so scared. I wish I had a ham sandwich to calm my nerves. Well, what do you know? A ham sandwich. Wouldn't you know it needs some mustard? This has got to be my imagination, otherwise I'd be scared stiff. Now, maybe my imagination can, like, cut it in half? Hello? Anybody home?
Hurry!
Like no one seems to be here, Scoob. And by the looks of this pad, I don't blame him. Thanks a lot. What was that? Someone's out there. Go see who it is, Scooby. Okay, we'll like flip a coin. Heads I win, tails you lose.
Okay.
Tails, you lose.
Oh, boy.
Okay, come and get it. Oh no!
I don't like right remote and run.
Hey, what's with Scooby-Doo?
Zoinks! A seagoing ghost!
Shaggy, come back!
Shaggy, come out of that umbrella.
No. Did you see what I saw?
Yeah, we saw it, and we're going back to find out what it was.
Swell. I'll wait here, and when you find out, send me a telegram.
What are we going to do?
First of all, I'm going to call the sheriff. That's strange. The phone's dead.
Why don't you go get the sheriff, Mr. Weatherby? We'll wait here.
We'll keep an eye on Uncle Stewart until you get back.
Are you sure you'll be all right?
Sure. And just to make sure nothing else happens, we'll all take turns standing guard.
Who's going to stand the first watch?
Who else? The watchdog.
Right? What's wrong? Oh, that's me?
That's right. That's you.
Just think, Scooby. No ghostly voice will get past your keen sense of hearing.
That old hard of hearing trick isn't gonna work tonight, Scooby.
I hope we find Shaggy soon. Stop that noise. I've got it. That's better. Come on. What a spooky place. Not now, Scooby. Not now. Hey!
Like this place looks like a storeroom for spider webs. Wow, a spooky room filled with haunted spider webs and creepy old looking chests. Wonder what's in them. Yo! Funny place to keep bats. Hope they've all, like, flown the coop. There's nothing in here but a bunch of old costumes. Hey, somebody around here must have been in showbiz.
Maggie.
Yeah? Yeah! Zoink! Very funny. But don't take it off. You look better with it on. Now quit fooling around and help me search. You look on that side and I'll look on this. Nothing in that one. What's with you, Scooby-Doo? That horrible looking? Come on, we'll sneak up on him. Get ready, Scoob. I'm gonna open the door. Uh-huh, gotcha! Aw, Scooby, you were only looking at yourself in a mirror. This place is creepy. Like all we're missing is a big old scary shadow. Zoinks! The door's stuck! It won't open!
Huh?
Coming, Scoob! We're goners.
Friends of the doctor's, no doubt.
You must be Helga. We thought you were the ghost of Hyde.
Well, you can see I'm not. And you've made a mess of the attic just after I finished cleaning it.
Cleaned it?
Like, whoa, I wonder what it looked like before she cleaned it.
Do you think this plan will work, Freddy?
Sure. I left the door unlocked. So when the Phantom Shadow comes in to grab the dummy of Scooby, we'll all grab him.
All but Shaggy and Scooby. They've decided to play it safe and watch this show from outside on the drain pipe.
I can't think of a safer place. Can you, Scoob?
Don't worry, I'll save you. I told you I'd save you.
Great. But next time, please don't do me any favors.
Yeah, no favors.
Hey, was Uncle Stuart wearing a blue suit, red tie, and tennis shoes?
Yeah, when we last saw him.
Then I think we found him. Only he looks a little older now.
Wow. I guess that ghost wasn't kidding.
That's just about as old as you can get.
It sure would help if we could find another clue.
Uh-huh, I found one.
Groovy, what is it?
Him.
It's the ghost!
Gross.
This is the last warning. Either the fortune is here by morning, or all those in the Weatherby house shall grow old. Now go!
Wowee! Old Horrible really said a frightful mouthful.
But we're not gonna let that scare us.
We're not?
No, Shaggy. We're gonna solve this mystery.
Hey, where's Scooby? Uh-oh. I bet he's in that closet, out to lunch. Can you imagine?
Yeah, with Scooby, I wouldn't be surprised.
Scooby-Doo, where are you? Yikes, like it's...
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby, what are you doing in there?
For you.
Was that you?
No. You?
No. Like I think it was him! This way, Scooby!
Gesundheit.
Hold on, Velma.
Where are we?
We'll soon find out. I'll turn on the lights. Zoinks!
Cool it, you two. This is just a wax monster display.
Like Foley.
No.
Now for that vampire. Okay, Scoop, let's get with it. Zoinks!
It's okay, guys. That's just part of the act, too. Oh, no.
Like it's just part of the act, Velma.
Maybe, but that isn't.
Like, stop moving, Scooby.
I'm not.
This way, Scoob! Into the raft! Here they come! Start the engine!
I'm trying.
Come on, Scoob, stop fooling around. Those guys are almost here. Zoinks! Like we forgot to cast off the mooring lines! Zoinks! Look out, Scoob! Hang on, Scooby! Yay! Like we're locked in. Trapped, Scoob. Like it's only a frog. Yay! I smell trouble, scary trouble.
Look, it's an old graveyard.
My very most unfavorite place to be, especially at night.
That's odd. A fresh grave in an old graveyard like this.
Oh, no!
Let's go see.
Look, the coffin is open and empty.
Sure looks old.
Here lies Silas Long, half man and half wolf.
And I'm half gone already. Bye.
Hey, come on, Shaggy. This is our first really sound clue.
Yeah, but it looks like our clue is out to dinner.
And look, there are more wolf tracks leading away from the grave.
Oh, swell. It ain't bad enough we're following a werewolf. Now it looks like it's the ghost of a werewolf.
Ghost?
Like that ought to keep old Metal Puss out of here. Ouch! What's so funny? Yo! It's him, the ghosty werewolf.
Gone.
Where'd he go so fast? Imagine you getting so scared of a tiny little old mouse. Ridiculous.
Yeah, ridiculous.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you?